Changing your Robinhood account to a cash account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To start, log into your Robinhood account using the mobile app or website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. This is usually found by tapping the icon with your profile picture or name. Then selecting Account Settings or Account Information. In the Account Settings section, look for the option to change your account type. This may be labeled as Account Type, Brokerage Account, or Investment Account. Select this option and choose the cash account type from the available options. You may be asked to confirm that you want to change your account type and acknowledge any potential effects on your existing holdings or trading activity. If you have any open positions or pending transactions, you may need to close or cancel them before you can change your account type. This is because cash accounts have different rules and restrictions than other types of accounts, such as margin or retirement accounts. Once you have closed or canceled any open positions or pending transactions, you can proceed with changing your account type. After selecting the cash account type, review and agree to the terms and conditions of the cash account. This may include rules and restrictions on trading, settlement times, and other aspects of your account. It is essential to carefully review these terms and conditions to ensure you understand how your account will work and any potential limitations or requirements. Once you have agreed to the terms and conditions, your account type will be changed to a cash account. You can verify this by checking your account settings or looking for a confirmation message from Robinhood. With a cash account, you will only be able to trade with the cash you have available in your account, and you will not have access to margin or other forms of leverage. It is crucial to note that changing your account type may affect your ability to trade certain securities or participate in specific features, such as options trading or cryptocurrency trading. Before making any changes to your account, make sure you understand the potential implications and how they may impact your investment strategy. In conclusion, changing your Robinhood account to a cash account is a relatively simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and carefully reviewing the terms and conditions of the cash account, you can ensure a smooth transition and continue to use your Robinhood account with confidence.